Hi, I'm Ron Kurbis of Ron Kurbis Enterprises. I'm over 45 years experienced on industrial sewing machines. I do offer a maintenance kit and have a number of different items here to show you, which will help you solve most of the common problems that you may have with your sewing machine. So what you would get in my kit are the following items. They're not all here, but most of them are here. So we have the check spring which goes up in here. And the check spring is what helps you with the thread and the motion to keep the slack out of the thread. The discs, the two tension discs that go up here, you remove them with a wire spring here, thumb screw, and then replace them because they get a cut in the thread guide, which can cause your thread to fray. And then the next items that are important to you are the screw and the thread guide. Now, showing you up close this needle bar here. As you see on this needle bar as I'm holding it, there's a screw here which is the replaceable screw. The tip of it wears out and then it doesn't hold the needle tight anymore. There's the thread guide, which is this little black piece here which fits on here. It could cause the thread could be frayed inside there because that thread guide is worn, and that needs to be replaced. The cut in that thread guide will cause you problems. This is your needle bar. So you have the typical problems associated with the machine. This is your hook right here. And this is another very common problem that you associate on these walking foot machines if it's not working right. Needle plate that you remove first on the machine, there are two screws, and you remove this needle plate. As you take it out, it's a tab. Take note of the tab here, the square tab, that this removes, and then your tab is in the 9 o'clock position looking straight down on it. The hook is in good shape here, but occasionally the hook does need to be reshaped. Take some emery paper, and this is 320 grit, so you might want to reshape this hook a bit here or from the inside till it's nice and sharp again. Then replacement of the bobbin case. The bobbin case is this piece here, which it's turning easily here, and the hook is rotating around here. But if your thread's caught underneath here, then you're going to have to remove these two screws, here and here. It's a half moon cover, and with this cover here removed, then your bobbin case, your thread will be underneath it. You can then turn this freely again, and then replacing it back again when you're done, back with the two screws. Make sure you put the tab here in the 9 o'clock position and then underneath here, and there you go, you're back in business again. The needle bar itself looks like this, and it's held on the side by a screw here, which you see right in here, and that holds this bar. And then I show you in my maintenance kit that you can raise and lower the bar and put it in the proper position. So the last thing I'll show you is my clutch over here. This clutch here is a cork piece which is I'm mounting on a machine. It has to be absolutely flat. If your motor is squealing when you start, your problem is here, and these need to be replaced also. So I've shown you a lot of the different items here to help you, but you need to go to my website. That's www.industrialsewingrepair.com. Click under the maintenance tab, and you will see that I will provide you with a manual of the most common problems, pictures, suggestions, and these items that I've shown you are all part of that kit. And that kit will help you solve the most common problems that you have with your industrial sewing machine and get you going again.